In the midst of the ongoing global supply chain crisis, manufacturers are facing unprecedented challenges. To navigate these turbulent times and ensure long-term success, embracing new supply chain technologies has become imperative. In this video, we'll explore why manufacturers should take immediate action and adopt innovative solutions to optimize their supply chains. In today's intricate business landscape, understanding the current supply chain dynamics is crucial. The global supply chain crisis has reverberated across industries, tempting businesses to cling to the status quo for cost saving. Yet, lurking within this temptation are potential risks of inaction, missed opportunities and vulnerability to future disruptions. Unlocking supply chain resilience is within reach with Oracle Fusion Cloud SCM. Discover the innovation behind Oracle Fusion Cloud supply chain management and manufacturing and how technology revolutionizes supply chains. Stay tuned to witness the future of supply chain management unfold. Oracle Fusion Cloud SCM's capabilities shine through its key features. Gain multi-tier visibility across inventory and supply. Embrace the power of AI and machine learning for intelligent manufacturing. Experience comprehensive monitoring with intelligent track and trace. Elevate your supply chain with these groundbreaking innovations. Unleash the power of supply chain visibility. Elevate insights into inventory, production, and fulfillment. Proactively identify and resolve disruptions, fostering adaptability. Witness the real-world impact of informed decision-making. Experience the transformative potential of heightened visibility in your supply chain. And that's where Intelloger comes in, bridging the gap between challenges and solutions in supply chain. Unlock the potential of your manufacturing supply chain with Oracle Supply Chain Technology. Streamline operations, enhance collaboration, and make agile decisions. Intelloger, your trusted partner, offers expert guidance in adopting these solutions. From design to integration, we empower you to maximize efficiency and competitiveness. Elevate your supply chain with Intelloger. Thank you.